Hey guys, Roland Rodriguez with RCR Homes. One of the questions we typically get asked is, how far do you guys go out to build? We typically go around an hour around Victoria. In some cases, we could go a little bit beyond that. This is our third build in Hallettsville. We're excited about this project today. And today we're going to show you guys a little bit of our work.
You where you wanna go.